Hi, I'm Elsie, and today's Halloween craft we'll be making a can ghost. First, you need a can. It should be empty, but it can be full if you really need. I would suggest emptying it though, because it makes it lighter and easier to hang. So I use the can pumpkin. You also need white paint, streamers of any color, paintbrushes, tape, and scissors. If you don't have the white paint or the streamers, you can always use white paper. First, you're going to find the seam of the can, the paper that's on the can, and you're going to peel it off. This will help make the can look a little bit more authentic when you paint it. Then, when you have your empty can, what you're going to do is grab a little squirt of paint and use a paintbrush. I'm using a sponge one, but I'm also going to be using a regular paintbrush. And you're going to just paint all the way around the outside and the top. I have now painted a fraction of the can. When the can gets a little bit smaller, what you can do is you can put your hand inside the can, and this is one of the advantages of having an empty can. So your hand can go inside of the can and you can continue painting. You might have to do a few coats because right now you can still sort of see the silver. It makes it look a little authentic, but I would suggest doing a few coats to make it truly white. Now I have finished painting my can white. I painted on the top and all over the sides. Now I'm going to wait for it to dry, and you can always touch it up if you touch it somewhere or anything like that. Now that you have your fully dried can, what you're going to do is you're going to grab a Sharpie and you're going to draw on a cute side, like whatever side is like prettiest without, like one side for me has like these little like marks, and then the other side is like all white. So I'm going to draw a little smiley face, and then what we're going to do is add streamers to make it look more like a ghost. Now that I've drawn my cute little ghost face, I'm going to grab my streamers, and you can paint them white, but you don't have to. I have gold, so I think gold would look okay, but if you have any other color other than gold or white, I would suggest painting it white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece. You can choose how long it is. I'm going to make mine about like a half a foot, and you're just going to tear it in about a half a foot. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your scissors, or you can tear, but I would suggest using your scissors, and you're going to cut in half so that it's a little bit smaller. So you're going to cut it like this, all the way down to the bottom. Now I've cut a few of these. I've cut about two half-foot things, and I've cut them in half, so that's 4 total. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab a piece of tape. You can always use hot glue or regular glue, but I would suggest tape or hot glue because it is easiest. You're going to choose a side, and you're going to put a piece of tape on it just like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to tape it to the inside of the ghost so that you can't see any of the tape. So the inside should look about like that. Then you're going to do this all the way around the outside, leaving little bits of spaces, so it's about like that when it's hanging. I now have my little ghost thing. It has cute little tentacles, and what you can do is you can tape a piece of string, you can hot glue it, you can poke a hole in the top. So basically you can put a piece of string to it and you can hang it anywhere. You can use this cute little ghost thing to sit down. You can always put it down and spread out the little tentacle things. You can do plenty of things with this. Happy Halloween! I hope you enjoyed this little ghost craft.